Did you know that you can make money with Parkour360 by posting it on Instagram? So here we have an athlete, his name is Marlo, and he has posted his skill quest number 10 and he posted it on here. He also went onto Instagram and he mentioned it as part of his story. This is amazing. I love when you guys do this, and I love that you're sharing your passion for parkour. But you can take it one step further by simply linking with a very special code on Parkour360. Those who purchase a premium or VIP membership, they get extra access to curriculums and mentorships. But you, as the person who invites them onto Parkour 360, if somebody purchases this $99 a month, you will get $40 a month. That's it. There's no questions about it. It's as simple as that. So, how do we do that? If you're on your laptop, you can click on this button called invite people and you can copy this link that you have, and there you go. Earn 40% commission for life. You can copy it here, then send it to your phone. Or what I like to do is I have the school app on my phone. So let me jump into that and I'll show you how that works. So when you're on the app on the school, you go to the top right corner and click the triple dot button. Then you click on invite people and then you just copy that link. Then you go over to your Instagram page. When you go to the Instagram page, you go then post a story. And so you can make any post, you can upload your footage, and it will just like how Marlo did, he uploaded the skill quest number 10. Once you do that, you are ready to then add your link. And so what you would do is you're going to click on stickers. When you click on stickers, go down to and click on link. On here, you're going to paste your link and you can call it whatever you want with me or however you want. And there you go. Anyone who clicks on that will go straight to the school page and then they will say it was invited by you. Let me show you what that looks like. And so if they join, if it's on the computer, you can see this is my link on the top here. It says Alexander Robinson invited you. And forever, if they join the group, that name will be attached to you for life. For example, as you can see, as part of one of the members, it was invited by Conquest. That's how you can make instant money on Parkour 360. I really want to be able to help you. If you're already posting all this, you just do the extra step by doing the link, and that would be able to support you, support us, and hopefully help everybody else also get into parkour. Thank you. Train hard, play differently. Keep rocking it.